Students, now we are taking MCQs of chapter number 1. In board examination, how to write MCQs? Write question number, then there are 4 questions as a MCQ. So first question, write the question, then write answer. Answer whatever, maybe answer is 2, for example, and then write option. Option is, for example, C. Like that you have to fill your MCQ. Okay. So same here, I am giving explanation for this. Why AB, out of ABCD, why A, why B, why C and why D. So I am giving explanation. So first question, to draw graph of 4x plus 5y is equal to 19. Find y question marks when x is equal to 1. Now this is very simple. We try it earlier while solving the sums of graph. So explanation very simple. Y is equal to question 1, x is equal to what? 1. So 4x plus 5y, this is a given equation. So I am putting x is equal to 1 because the given x is equal to 1. 19. So 4 ones are 4. So 5y, 19 minus 4. So 15. Therefore y is equal to what? 15 upon 5, 3. So this is the explanation. No need to show explanation. This is a rough one. So your answer is what? Answer is 3. And then write option D, because B. B is your answer. Option, third answer is what? Answer is 3, but option B. So this is your perfect answer. Second, now for simultaneous equation x and y, dx given, you have to write total question. I am writing in between, but you have to write full sentence. Dy also given and d given. What is value of x? So only they ask x, answer. Okay. So for finding x, we know x is equal to, formula is what? Dx upon d. What is dx? 49. What is d? 7. So cancel is equal to only 7. So where is 7? Yes, option A. So answer is 7 and option A. Third, find the value of 5 minus 7, 3 minus 4. So cross multiplication, you know very well. 5 into minus 4, then minus 3 into minus 7, minus 20, minus minus plus, 3 sevens are 21. Minus plus subtraction, bigger number sign. So answer is what? 1. Answer 1. And what is the option here? Answer 1, D. Fourth, to solve x plus y, determinant method, find D. X plus y is equal to 3 and write second equation exactly below, minus 2y. So minus 4 will go that side, will become plus 4 now. Fourth, x plus y is equal to 3. Actually minus 4 is here in equation, but after going that side it will become 3x minus 2y is equal to minus become plus. This is your 2 equation. Find the value of D. So D, 1, 3, 1 minus 2 without constant numbers. Now solve this. Cross multiplication. So minus 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 3, minus addition. So answer is what? Minus 5, and my option, where is minus 5? C. So this way we have to write. And last question is the old question. Ax plus by. See, ax plus by is equal to C, and second equation mx plus ny is equal to D. Now number not given, they given English letter. What is the then simultaneous equations are, and the condition given an not equal to bn, that means a and b are not equal, then only one common solution. We know while solving the equation, see, look at here explanation. Fifth, see, 2x plus 3y is equal to, for example, 7, and 4x plus 11y is equal to 33. After solving, we solve so many sum by Cramer's rule, by graphical method, and by making the coefficient equal. You get only one solution, that means x comma y at the end. Barabar na? This type of sum we solve already in 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Cramer's rule graphic. You got only one solution. For example, solution is 7 and minus 3. So this is only one solution na. That is why your answer in what? Only one common solution. So option answer only one common solution, and option is what? A. So this is oral answer, because we solve this type of sums and we get only one answer. So first you copy this in your notebook like this: question answer, 5 questions, and then write explanation also. So we can while revising we'll come to know how we get the answer. So this is the explanation, right, in your notebook, and then in textbook only tick mark like this. If you have textbook in hand, you can tick mark like this. Okay. So first chapter MCQ is all over.